In a kingdom nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a kind and gentle princess named Elara. She was known far and wide for her beauty, grace, and compassionate heart. Princess Elara's father, King Roland, ruled the kingdom with wisdom and fairness, and he adored his daughter dearly. One fateful day, news reached the kingdom of an impending threat from a neighboring land ruled by an ambitious and cruel sorcerer named Malgrim. Malgrim desired to expand his realm and sought to conquer neighboring kingdoms, including Princess Elara's peaceful realm. In preparation for the impending danger, King Roland summoned his advisors and knights to strategize. Despite their efforts, they knew that facing Malgrim's dark magic and formidable army would require more than just military might. Princess Elara, filled with determination to protect her people and kingdom, volunteered to seek aid from the legendary guardians of the Enchanted Forest. The Enchanted Forest lay beyond the kingdom's borders, shrouded in mystery and guarded by magical creatures. Legends spoke of wise beings who wielded powerful magic and protected the balance of nature. With her loyal companion, a spirited unicorn named Celeste, Princess Elara ventured into the depths of the forest. During their journey, Princess Elara encountered challenges and trials that tested her bravery and resolve. She befriended forest sprites who guided her through hidden paths and enchanted streams, and she earned the trust of the ancient guardians with her kindness and humility. With the guardians' guidance, Princess Elara learned of an ancient artifact hidden deep within the heart of the Enchanted Forest, the Crystal of Harmony. It was said to possess the power to repel dark magic and restore balance to the land. Princess Elara, accompanied by the forest creatures and Celeste, embarked on a quest to retrieve the crystal and bring hope to her kingdom. Meanwhile, back in the kingdom, King Roland and his knights prepared for the inevitable confrontation with Malgrim's forces. The people of the kingdom, inspired by Princess Elara's courage and determination, rallied together to defend their homes and loved ones. After many trials and tribulations, Princess Elara and her companions reached the sacred grove where the Crystal of Harmony rested. With the support of the guardians and the blessing of the forest spirits, Princess Elara succeeded in retrieving the crystal, its radiant light illuminating the darkness that threatened to engulf the realm. Armed with the Crystal of Harmony, Princess Elara returned to her kingdom, just as Malgrim's forces began their invasion. With a heart full of courage and compassion, she confronted Malgrim and his dark magic, using the crystal's power to protect her people and thwart the sorcerer's plans. Malgrim, unable to withstand the purity and strength of Princess Elara's spirit, retreated from the kingdom, defeated by the combined forces of bravery, unity, and the magic of harmony. The kingdom rejoiced in their victory and celebrated Princess Elara as their true heroine. Princess Elara's journey taught her kingdom and its people the invaluable lessons of courage, compassion, and the enduring power of unity in the face of adversity. She continued to rule with wisdom and kindness, ensuring that her kingdom remained a beacon of hope and harmony for generations to come.